guys, Steph here. Okay, I was contacted by a local gentleman that just lives literally sort of 5 minutes up the road, and his good lady had this pen, and I believe it was a pen from a family member, and it has very much sentimental value, and they reached out to me and said, can you just service it for me, Steph? So yeah, when I received it, it was just a little bit tired, but what we've done, let's pop it down there, it came in this little case just to keep it nice and safe, and here's the pen itself. So what it is, this is the unique pen made in England, and as you can see, it's a lever fill fountain pen, comes with gold fill trim. As you can see, it's in this lovely green marbling colour. As I said, it was just a little bit tired. What we've done, we've cleaned, we've disassembled everything, cleaned everything, we've put a new sack in it, so it'll be going back to the good lady, to her today, and hopefully she'll be very much happy with it. So as I say, I thought I'd just do a quick review on it. As I say, this is the unique pen made in England and made, I believe, around about 1940s. Now, the thing about the unique pens, a little bit difficult to know where they come from, whether they actually made their own pens. I've read somewhere that they actually made their own pens. I've read somewhere as well that they may be part of the sort of the Kingswood family or the Eversharp family. I've also read somewhere they may have actually been made at the New Haven factory where Parker made their pens. So I'm not 100% sure. If any of you people out there have got more information, please leave us a comment, share your information with the rest of us. But as I say, a gorgeous pen. The size of the pen capped is 125mm capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 12mm in diameter. As I said, it's this lovely green marble. It's got a lever fill there, and if we turn it round slightly, and if we show you the barrel imprint there, you can see nice and clearly the unique pen, and then just underneath, made in England. So it's got a lovely barrel imprint. If we take it up to the cap, you can see it's got these two cap bands to the bottom of the cap, and in this particular case it's got this lovely, I would say, sort of Art Deco cap clip. As you can see, it's a sort of a ski slope shape there, as you can see. Now, I have actually seen these unique pens with different clips. They have, some of them have got what we term as a stepped clip. So yeah, there were obviously different variation of these pens, but this one, as you can see, has got this lovely, as I said, a ski slope Art Deco clip. To the very top there, you can see it's got this black slightly peaked cap stud to the very top there, and it's slightly peaked to the very bottom there as well, which matches the top. All in all, although we don't know a great deal about this pen, in my opinion, a lovely quality made fountain pen, as good as any other pen manufacturers of that particular period. So let's give you the customary twirls, show you the pen in different angles. As I said, I've fully serviced it, everything has been thoroughly cleaned, new sack installed. So there's the section to the top there. It's got this slight ridge towards the nib. We've got a black section, and then if I show you the nib, okay, I don't know how clear it'll be for you, but we'll try and keep it nice and still. As with a lot of these unique pens, it's got a Waranted nib, and it reads Waranted 14 karat it has 0.585, and then to the very bottom there you may see it has this lovely sort of image of a unicorn, which I think is absolutely lovely, just to the bottom of the nib there. Okay, you can see it's got this little unicorn to the bottom. There's a sideways view. If we turn it round, you can see it's just got a little sort of a standard plain feed underneath, but as always you can see it's nice and clean as it should be. It's a lovely pen, as I said, not a large pen, not a small pen, but quite a comfortable pen to hold. Now, because it's actually going back to the young lady and I'll let her, she can actually fill it herself with her favourite ink, but what we'll do, let's just do a little dip test. So let's dip it in our ink and let's just see how the pen writes. So what we've got is the unique pen, made in England, and as we said, I'm dating the pen around about the 1940s, although saying that I believe Unique sort of started making pens around about the 1920s through to the 1950s, and as I said, they made lots and lots of different pens. Let's just dip it again. They made lots and lots of different pens, different variations, obviously different colours, etc. Does it have any flex? It actually has a little bit of flex with a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke. Yeah, just a slight bit of flex, but all in all I would say it's writing with a fine line, as you can see there, but with a little bit of pressure we can get a little bit of line variation. So what we'll do, we'll just clean that after the video, and the pen will be going back to the lady, and I'm sure she'll have many years of happy writing with it. And as I say, she said it's got sentimental value for her, so I'm sure she'll enjoy it for many years to come. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Maybe you know a little bit more about the Unique pens than I do. Share that information with us. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe as well. But for now, I'll just say, wherever you are around the world and our friends in the Ukraine, please stay safe. And Slava Ukraini. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.